In this video, you will insert videos from the web and from your Google Drive into your presentation. There are lots of reasons to add videos to a presentation. Perhaps another organization like a research group has already made a video to report their findings. If you took a video of a great vacation on your phone, you may want to include it when you show off your photos to your friends. Or you might want to include a behind-the-scenes video to teach another business or a group of investors more about the work you do. To get started, select the last slide in the body of your presentation. Add a new section header slide. This slide will introduce the videos in the presentation. Type a title for this section into the text box. Next, select your first blank slide. Keeping the slide blank without text boxes or graphics will help your audience focus on the video as you present. On this blank slide, insert a new video. Search for a video that relates to your topic. You can also add a video from the web just by entering the link. Resize the video and snap it to the center guidelines. Placing your video in the center of the slide will keep your slide visually balanced, and it will focus your audience's attention on the video when you play it. All videos you add from the web will be embedded, which means that your presentation borrows an image from the video from its original site. Embedded videos need an internet connection to play because they link back to a website. You may not always have a strong internet connection. You can upload video files from your device or from Google Drive to make sure that the video plays properly, even with weak internet connections. Now, it's your turn. Add a new section header slide to your presentation, give it a title, search the web for a YouTube video, and add, resize, and arrange your embedded video to the presentation.